very special salute for frontline workers in the fight against COVID.
Yeah, it is coming courtesy of some young pilots in Lakeland. The Lakeland Aero Club, which is a youth flying club, conducted a flyby this morning. The group flew in formation, recognizing first responders and healthcare workers.
These are the people that are out there that had to go into work anyways when we stopped. They had to put their health at risk. And what we do is we fly. So it might not be the biggest thing in the world, but it's our gesture that we're able to make to say thank you.